Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Battlefield 6 multiplayer is not installed error. So when you launch the Battlefield 6, it asks you to install multiplayer or it asks you to purchase the game. So if you're getting this error, then here are some of the possible fixes. First fix is to close the EA app from the task manager. So right click on system tray, then click on task manager. Now here look for EA app. Right click on it and then click on end task. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then follow the second solution. The second fix is to spam the join button. So go to the community, search top screen server, hover over a server, press X to view more info, then spam the join button. You may not get successful in the first attempt. You have to spam the join button several times and finally the problem will get solved. So currently this is the possible fixes that has worked for many users and I hope this will work for you as well. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to switch to Steam, because this error is occurring only to the EA app user. So the fix 3 is to switch to Steam. So go to Steam and search for Battlefield 6 and then purchase it, and then you can launch the game and you can easily play Battlefield 6. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to fix Battlefield 6 multiplayer not installed error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.